Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file for an LLC in Wisconsin. First, you need to select a unique name for your business. This name must include specific words like Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation such as LLC. You can check name availability through the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions website. Next, you must appoint a registered agent. This person or service needs a physical address in Wisconsin and must be available during normal business hours to accept official documents for your LLC. After securing your name and agent, the next step is to create an operating agreement. While Wisconsin law does not mandate this document, it is crucial for outlining your LLC's internal operations and member responsibilities. It helps prevent future disputes and protects your personal assets. Additionally, you will need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This free federal tax ID is essential for most business activities, including opening a bank account. Now, it's time for the official filing, submitting your articles of organization to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. This critical document formally establishes your LLC. You'll provide essential information, including your chosen business name and registered agent details. The filing fee is $130 if you file online, which is often processed immediately. If you prefer to mail it, the fee is $170, with a processing time of approximately 5 business days. Once your LLC is officially formed, there are a few ongoing compliance steps. You must file an annual report with the Department of Financial Institutions every year. This report is due by the end of the calendar quarter in which your LLC was initially formed, costing $25 online. Also, while Wisconsin has no general state business license, you must research and secure any specific federal, state, or local permits required for your industry and location. Remember to keep all your business records updated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.